How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can round edges in Bambu Studio. Now, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to open up your project. In my case, I'm going to be opening up a new one. And from here, let's add our primitive shape by clicking on the Add Primitive option. And then you simply have to click on Cube if you want to go ahead and turn this into a rounded or smooth edge. You have to unfortunately select the preset right here, which is going to be the rounded rectangle. Now, the reason is because this is only a simple Shape tool. This is mainly used for printing. So we have limited functions right here. If you simply click on the cube itself, of course, you can do something like right-clicking on it, clicking on something like negative part, and you can round the corner normally, or depending on your style, but by doing something like this. But of course, it's not going to always look great. But generally, if you want a perfect rounded edge, something like from a box or a rectangle, you want to go ahead and use the preset that they have right here. And if you want to create yourself, you want to head over to a 3D software where you can model this specific objects out individually. But as of the moment, this is the only way on how we can simply make rounded corners. You can add something like modifiers, and from here you can adjust it accordingly depending on your preference, and you can just go ahead and resize the object the way you want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.